Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well, and in this video I'll be talking about the job vacancies released from the Oil India Limited for freshers and experienced candidates in grade A, B and C. So this is an official website of Oil India Limited. You can download the notification for the recruitment process, and directly you can go to the career website and current openings. After that you can apply from the here given link, and you can download the notification from this document section also. I have downloaded the notification already. So these are the vacancies. These are the vacancies in grade C: superintending engineer in drilling, and superintending medical officer in radiology, and superintending engineer in environment, superintending medical officer in orthopedic surgeon. Number of posts are given and details also given. Details of posts and pay scales also given. Pay scale starts from 80,000 in grade C posts. So age limit also given and required education qualification. Please, the candidates who are willing to apply these posts, you can look into the required education qualification. And after that we will move to the grade B. Post name and codes are given. See, senior medical officer, security, senior security officer, and senior officer electrical, senior officer in EC, senior officer land and legal, and senior officer in mechanical. These posts are given. So many posts are there. You can look into the number of posts and grade pay scale. For grade B, the pay scale starts from 60,000. The candidates who are willing to apply for these posts in grade B, you can look into the required education qualification and you can apply. Here, experienced candidates can also apply and freshers can also eligible. Here for senior officer electrical, bachelor degree minimum 4 years duration in electrical engineering, those students can apply. And senior officer in E&C, only degrees required. After that, in senior officer land and legal, bachelor degree in minimum 3 years duration of in law LLB with minimum 60% marks are required. And after that, senior officer mechanical, if you have just completed the mechanical degree with 65% marks, you can apply, and basic pay will be 60,000. Your salary starts from 60,000. After that, next we'll move to the senior officer in geophysics. Number of posts are 1, and PG in geophysics, applied geophysics and exploration geophysics of minimum 2 years duration with minimum 60% marks are eligible. And senior officer in instrumentation, see, bachelor degree 4 years duration, that should be 4 years duration and with minimum 65% marks, excluding E&C, control engineering, applied electronics and instrumentation, power electronics students. These instrumentation and control engineering students, these students are not eligible. Only instrumentation engineering students are eligible for these posts. And after that we'll come to the grade A posts. In grade A posts, confidential secretary, number of posts and education qualifications are given. For this grade A posts, your salary will be starting from 50,000 rupees. You can look into the required education qualification for the candidates who are willing to apply for this post particularly. And after that, these experience details are given. For some posts, they require some education experience candidates, so job description also given, you can look into it, and minimum post qualification experience also required. uh, just you can look into it, the candidates who are applying for these particular posts up to 5, 1 2 3 4 5, these 5 posts. And for particular post, I mean grade A, grade B, grade C, uh, they will be offering different salary. For grade you already you have seen. For grade C posts, so minimum salary basic will be, they will give 80,000, and of that grade B 60,000, and grade C 50,000, start from 50,000. And next will be the pay and allowance. Same thing what I have told, approximate total emolument in grade C, grade B and grade A. So minimum scale will be 1,50,000 rupees, 1,20,000 rupees, and 90,000 respectively. The application fees are mentioned here. For general OBC category students, you have to pay 500 plus applicable taxes, and SC, ST, PWD, and EWS and ex-servicemen candidates, you don't have to pay any fees. You are exempted from the application fees. Selection process for grade C and grade B and grade A. These selection process is given. Computer-based test will be there for phase. There will be two phases: phase 1 and phase 2. Total marks will be 100 marks for CBT test, and there will be group discussion and personal interview also. If candidates are very less, means very low number of candidates, if they found, actually they will not conduct any group discussion or group task. They will take directly personal interview. And qualifying marks are given. For general candidate, 50% marks they have to score, otherwise they will not be eligible, and 40% marks for SC/ST candidates. In this group task and personal interview, there will be no qualifying marks. It will be decided by them. And next will be for grade B. There is also like phase C, phase 1, phase 2. Two phases will be there. First is computer based test, after that group discussion, personal interview. Weightage will be for computer based test. The weightage will be given 85%. After that, weightage for GD 35%, 30 marks, and personal interview 10%, that is 10 marks. Qualifying marks are given 50% for general and 40% for SC/ST and PWD categories. And for grade B, computer based test and skill test will be there. Total marks will be 100%. 100% weightage will be given for computer based test only, and for personal test and proficiency test also there will be 100 marks. And qualifying marks for computer based test for grade A, that is 40% for the PWD, and for skill test you have to take 50% marks. I mean, if 100 marks is there, you have to take 50. You must score 50% or more than 50%, then only you are eligible. And verification documents are given, you can look into it. After that, general instructions are there. Just go through this notification, how to apply, and also you have to sign 3 years bond here. If you want to leave in between, within 3 years, you have to pay back the money. Okay. Then for that you have to sign a bond for 3 years while joining this company. And important dates for online submission of application. Application date has already started on 15 September, and last date of submission of application in Noi, so that is 10 to 2021. So the candidates who are applying for these posts, please apply within this 10 October, so that you will not miss. Okay. And if you have any query about application form and how to apply and all, you can put your query in comment box, and I will be giving the direct apply link for this company, or for this website. I will give direct link for website. For after clicking that website, you can directly apply. Okay. And if you have any query, you can put your query into the comment section. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you again.